AD's first game as a member of Dallas Maverick. Hinihingi ni Davis ang bola kay Thompson. As a result, Gafford is open for slam. Matagal din namang request si Davis na magkaroon ng legit center dahil ang normal na laruan nito ay power forward. Sa halip na pagbigyan at naging resulta nito ang agarang pag-trade. Offensively, kitang-kita natin ang galing ni Luka. But defensively, alam nating lamang si Davis. He both possess a high quality of skills. Kaya nga ni Nick Harrison defense win champion. Alamang ito ang dahilan. Meron silang tatlong bigs with Gafford, Lively, and Davis. Meron din silang championship caliber like Klay Thompson, Irving, with a bunch of role player. We'll see if mapapanatili ni Davis ang kanyang magandang kalusugan throughout the season. Alam din naman natin na injury prone na si Davis. Let's pray na lang na maging healthy siya throughout this season nang may pakita niya muli ang kalidad ng kanyang laruan with his presence in the paint. And he is also a 3-time black champion from 2014, 2015, and 2018 season. A 10-time All-Star and 1-time NBA champion. Abang-abang din ang matchup itong dalawa. Yung February 26, 7:30 PH time. Let's hope na makita natin silang both healthy. Ang sa ganun, mapakita nilang kanilang totoong laruan. This trade is one of the shocking trade in NBA history. 25 years old Luka, also in his prime, was traded to LA Lakers. Exchanged for 31-year-old Anthony Davis. Maituturing din naman natin na sa prime pa si Davis with his shot blocking ability and monster present in the paint. Nasisigurado kung mag-aalangan pumasok ang kanyang mga katunggali. With Davis in the paint, with Gafford and Lively at the center. Samahan pa ng one of the most skilled ball handler, Kyrie Irving. Tignan natin kung kaya ba ng Dallas ang loaded West Conference. Young team OKC Thunder and Houston Rockets, top team to beat in Western Conference. Natin sa playoffs. Their experience as a whole, I think malaki ang panglaban na sa Western Conference. Given na malaki ang sugal na ginawa ng owner ng Mavs ang pag-trade sa kanyang franchise player, hopefully they are healthy para sa kabang-abang na playoff. So guys, ano sa tingin nyo? Sinong nanalo sa trade? And comment down below. See you when I see Dallas.